Hello everyone, welcome to How To with Hugh, the best place for no BS crypto tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at how to buy cryptocurrency with your credit card and what are the benefits of doing so. So step number one, head over to the ftx.us cryptocurrency exchange or download it on your app. And personally, I like this exchange because I think it's really easy and it requires the least amount of steps to do so. So once you're here, go ahead and register. I already have an account, so I will see you guys when I'm logged in. Alrighty, so once you're logged in, your page should look something like this. Before we go any further on how to buy crypto with a credit card, let's just talk about some of the advantages of doing so. So what you're going to want for this is ideally a 600 to 700 credit score, because that's how you'll get the best promotions and deals and offers on these credit cards. So not so long ago, I actually got a credit card that said if you join with us, you get 0% APR for 18 months. And if you don't know what that means, is for 18 months, you basically pay 0% APR on that money you borrowed, which is amazing, which is great, right? And what I would do is go ahead and buy crypto when it was dipping, like last week or two. Ethereum was at like $2,100. I would have went ahead and bought a whole Ethereum. And fast forward to today, Ethereum's at $3,000. So just like that, you borrowed money and made $900. But that's not actually why we did that. We did that because you can make $30 minimum payments. You don't even have to put that $2,100 up front. You could just pay $30 off every single month. And the best part about that is you don't have to pay any interest on that $30. So you just borrowed money for free, which is amazing, right? So now you could either pay that off all in whole because you know you have $3,000, you made $900 profit, and you could just collect that, or you could go ahead and keep making those minimum payments every month, and now you have $3,000 that you could play around with. Just make sure that you pay off your full balance within 18 months because you don't want to be paying any interest. And in addition to that, there's some credit cards out there that give you some deals, such as join with us and spend $500 within the first 3 months, you'll get $250 back. So if you're gonna buy some cryptocurrency, say you want to buy like $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you know, what's the point of buying off your debit card when you could go ahead and apply for a credit card that gives you rewards? So you buy $500 worth of Ethereum and they give you $250 for free as a reward for doing so. Amazing, right? And yeah, let's get into how to actually buy it now. So once you're here at the main page, it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna see these three bubbles right here. From coin, it's you're gonna be using USD to buy it, so select USD. Then to coin, what do you want to buy? Bitcoin, Ethereum, type in whatever you want to buy. You have all these different options. And once you go ahead and do that, you want to go ahead and click on card deposit. Now I already have a card, and FTX allows you to securely deposit using your credit card or debit card, and it only works with MasterCard and Visa only. So if you have something like American Express, it won't necessarily work. And then right here, click on another card or add a card, because I already have my card added. And from there, it should be pretty straightforward. And just let you guys know that the maximum credit card deposit is $2,000. So if you want to buy like on a whole Ethereum or a good portion, you're going to want to go ahead and think ahead of time, because you can only deposit a certain amount of money every single day. And once you go ahead and deposit that money, you should have the funds in your account. And to check how much money you have, go ahead and click on a wallet right here, and bam, it should say you have $500 worth of USD coin, which is just dollars actually. And the best part about ftx.us is you could buy cryptocurrency, but not only that, you could buy NFTs. As you see right here, they have a bunch of NFT options. And you could go ahead and explore, mint, browse different NFT collections, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Doodles. So this just basically makes it even easier. You know, you don't have to go ahead and go on a cryptocurrency exchange and then transfer over to your MetaMask. FTX kind of does it all for you, and the best part is you could use a credit card to do so.